Hi friends, welcome to Airdropspot. In today's video, we are going to be interacting with Haust Network Testnet. So to get started, we are going to make use of the faucet. So visit faucet.host.app, paste your testnet address and tap on request. You are allowed to claim one Haust token every 24 hours. Now, after claiming your Haust test token, we are going to claim Ethereum Sepolia. And we are going to be making use of Google Cloud for that, so that there would not be any limitation of needing to have mainnet Ethereum in your wallet before you can claim Sepolia. So this faucet gives you 0.05 ETH, I think every 48 hours, I'm not sure. Okay, so wait for a while until your token is deposited, token sent to your wallet. In the next stage, we want to mint other test tokens that we are going to be needing. The first one is test USDT on Sepolia network. So I pasted the link to USDT Explorer in my browser and it takes us to blockscout.com. And what you want to do next is to log in with your testnet address where you want to mint your token. So click on login, you can see it at the top right. Choose continue with Web3 wallet and then choose MetaMask. Connect and then confirm. You have to complete CAPTCHA. Once you are done, click on verify. You can decide to add your email or just choose I'll do it later. So once you are logged in, scroll to the bottom and then click on contract. Next, click on read or write contract. Now, scroll to the bottom until you see item number 7, which is mint. You can see that right here. Click on the drop down on item number 7. Now you can click on self and it will auto paste the address that you used to log in to the Explorer, or if you want to mint it on a different address, paste that particular address. Now in the box for amount, for stables, any amount that you want to get, for example, if I want to mint 1000 USDC, I'm going to type that 1000, then I'm going to add extra 6 zeros. So if you count what you are seeing on my screen, you will see that I have 1000, then extra 60, then tap on write. Confirm the interaction in your wallet. Once the interaction is successful, you'll see that the status have changed. You can now see transaction has been confirmed. So we are done with USDT. I'm going to open up my tab again, then paste the link to USDC. And following the same process, I'll scroll down until I see contract, then I'll tap on it. Next, I am going to tap on read or write contract. Then I'll scroll down until I see item number 7, that is mint, and I'll tap on that drop down. I'll click on self to auto paste my address, and in the box for unit, I'm going to enter 1000 and then extra 6 zeros. Then I'll tap on write and then confirm the interaction in my wallet. Transaction is successful. I'll open up my tab again and then paste the link to BTC. So again, I'll scroll to the bottom, then tap on contract. I'll click on read or write contract. Then scroll to item number 7. Tap on the drop down, tap on self to auto paste my address, and then if you want 0.001 BTC, you are going to enter 100,000 in the box for amount. So I want 0.003, so I'm entering 300,000 and then I'm going to click on write and then confirm the transaction in my wallet. Transaction has been confirmed, and then I'll repeat the same thing for Ethereum, but in order not to continue repeating stuffs, I'm just going to leave the link for Ethereum Explorer amongst other links as well in the comment section for your convenience. So next, we are going to be making use of the Haust bridge. Here we are. Connect your wallet, and the first thing that we want to do is to start bridging from Sepolia network to Haust. We literally don't have any token on Haust aside Haust itself, so we have to start with Sepolia. Just like you can see on my screen, you may need to manually import each token that you want to interact with. So I am starting with USDT. I pasted the contract address of USDT and then waited for a while, then tap on import token. So I am doing the same thing for USDC. I pasted the address, then I am importing it. Repeat the same thing for wBTC and Ethereum, and once you have done that for all the tokens, we can now start testing. So the first token I'll be testing is USDT, and you can see that all the tokens that we minted from the Explorer, they are now here. You can see my 2000 USDT, 1000 USDC, and the rest. So the first one I'll be testing is USDT. I'll be bridging USDT from Sepolia network over to Haust network. So you can see I have USDT on Sepolia Testnet and I'll be bridging it to Haust. So I'll enter the amount of USDT that I would like to bridge from Sepolia chain over to Haust. I want to bridge 1000. Then I'm going to tap on continue. Click on allow bridge to spend my USDT. Then confirm this interaction in your wallet. Now click on bridge. You just previously did the approval. Now click on bridge and then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Transaction submitted successfully. After a couple of minutes, it is going to arrive on Haust network. Now go back and then repeat this same interaction on every other token. We still have USDC, wBTC, and Ethereum. Repeat the same thing for every other token. And once you now have all of those tokens on Haust network, then we can now start to bridge from Haust network over to Sepolia. And that is what I'll be doing next. So again, I'll be bridging some USDT from Haust network over to Sepolia. This is the 1000 USDT I bridged over to Haust. I'll be bridging some of it back to Sepolia. So I am bridging 100. I'll click on bridge. Then I'll confirm this transaction in my wallet. So after a while, the 100 USDT from Haust is going to arrive on Sepolia network. Again, repeat the same thing for every other token. We have wBTC, USDC, Ethereum, and even Haust itself. You can bridge it over to Sepolia. And once you have done that, we are going to make use of Haust DEX. Open up your tab and then paste the link to Haust DEX in the search bar. Apologies if my voice is not very loud enough. I am actually recording this at past 2 in the morning, so I can't really disturb people around me. So here we are on Haust DEX and we are going to be making some swaps for a start. So we have Haust and I'm going to pick another token. So I have Haust and USDT on this interface and I'll be swapping some USDT over to Haust. Click on swap. Click on confirm swap and then confirm the transaction in your wallet. So while the transaction is pending, you can decide to make more transactions. You can make swaps between wBTC and USDC, wBTC and Haust, just make different kind of transaction. Now, next, we are going to tap on the send bar and we are going to be sending some test token. In the first box, choose the token that you want to send. So I want to send Ethereum, and then in the next box, paste the address that you would like to send to. Lastly, type in your amount that you would like to send. So I want to send 0.01 Ethereum over to this address. Then I'm going to click on send. I'll click on confirm send, and then I'll confirm the transaction in my wallet. So you may not get any special prompt for this particular one. Lastly, we are going to make use of the liquidity pool. I'll click on the pools tab, then tap on new position. So choose any token pair that you would like to add liquidity to. So I want to add liquidity between Haust token and USDT. So I have chosen Haust. I'll choose the second one and I'll choose USDT for it. Now in the fee tier, you are free to choose any one, but I'm going to choose the third one, which is 0.3%, as it works for most pairs, so that I won't have unnecessary issue. And then in the range, I'm going to choose full range. Now I'm going to enter the amount of Haust that I would like to add to the liquidity. So for 0.1 Haust, I will also have to add 36 USDT. So I would click on approve USDT. And then approve spending of USDT in my wallet. Next, I am going to click on preview. Then I'll click on add. And then I'll confirm this transaction in my wallet. Transaction submitted. You can wait for a few minutes and then you are going to see your position that have been successfully created. So here is my position, USDT and Haust. So following the same process, you can go back to new position and then add another pair to the liquidity pool. So I'm going to click on new position, and for this one, I'll be doing something between maybe wrapped BTC and USDC. So I'll simply pause my recorder and then add this new pair to the liquidity pool following the same process. So I am done, and you can see my newest position, which is wrapped BTC and USDC. So you can decide to just go back, click on new position, choose a fresh pair this time, follow the same process and then add it to the liquidity pool. And that is all that we have to do at the moment on Haust Network. Now you have to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and you have followed us on all other channels. We have Telegram, we have Twitter, okay, so that you won't miss out on any important information. For example, this past week we have an NFT to mint on Haust Testnet, even though we have not yet done any testnet interaction. So make sure that you are following on all channels so that you won't miss out on any important information. And if you have any question on this testnet interaction that we have done, drop me a comment in the comment section, okay? And all the links and contract addresses that you need that I used in this video, I'll have them pinned in the comment section as well for your convenience. And if this video have been of help to you even in the slightest way, then please make sure to like this video, because when you do, the YouTube algorithm sees it as something that is very beneficial to others and then goes on to show it to many more people. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial very soon.